Any other questions before we continue? Yes, go ahead.
What would be the leniencies of like a religious youth that would like to be a cab driver? Can he be like a cab driver if there's like a thick glass in between the front seat and the back seat?
That's a good question. So I would say it's not like at night. It's not going to work that well. Like during the days, maybe, because that's exactly the situation as we discuss here, right? That everybody can see what's going on in a cab, right? So everybody can see you. You're out there. Usually you drive in public areas, but at night, I would say no. You understand? And we actually learn in our medical class. Halachas pertaining to the this was the ambulance drivers, when they have to come, and of course there is sick person, but still there is halachas. So halachas there is some leniency because you're saving somebody's life, but still it's not so simple. So and one question was asked, can you drive on a service road or on a highway? So I said no, you have to drive on a highway, right, where everybody can see you. When on a service road, maybe there are not as much light. So, and we know from experience there are many sick people in the world. I'm not talking about the Jews, non-Jews. Jews doesn't matter. That can do many things, and they would not care if somebody is sick, somebody is dying. So unfortunately, okay, that's a good question. You're welcome. Any other questions? Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So that means for a cab driver, they're not allowed to tint the windows.
That's another thing. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Because if you tint your windows, you can't see anything inside.
Exactly. So we had this situation some time ago. Somebody, we had a guest, right? And long time ago. Somebody said, and another of our guests said, I'm going to drive this lady. I said, you're not going to drive this lady. You're normal. You're not going to drive. She was single. He was single. So right. So I said, you're not going to drive. Not from my house. I don't want to be part of it. Okay. She wants to get somebody else maybe to go with her. That's a different story. But that's not what we do. It was late at night, so let her take bus or something. Who needs this headache, basically? Okay.